Welcome. In this video, we're going to use z-scores to determine if values of data are usual or unusual. Suppose exam scores for a chemistry course at Anytown Polytechnic Institute are normally distributed with a mean of 72 and a standard deviation of 8.3. Determine if scores of 65, 88, 90, and 97 are unusual. So let's recall to compute a z-score, we take our data values, subtract the mean, and divide by the standard deviation. Let's begin with the score of 65. So its z-score is 65 minus 72 over 8.3. And using your calculator, you should get negative 0.84. For a normal distribution, if these are all z-scores, normal z-scores are within 2 standard deviations of the mean, so these are considered usual. And z-scores outside of this range, here and here, are considered unusual. Since this z-score of 65 is negative 0.84, that would be right around here. We say this is usual, so not unusual. Next, let's look at 88. Its z-score is z equals 88 minus 72 divided by 8.3. And you should get 1.93, and that would be about here. So the z-score of 88 would lie here. And again, that's not unusual. All right, let's look at the z-score of 90. Z equals 90 minus 72 divided by 8.3. That's 2.17. And if you can see now, we've definitely gone into the unusual range since the z-score of 90 would be about here. So that's definitely unusual. And now we can compute the z-score for 97, and I will end up doing it eventually. But if you notice, 90 is unusual and 97 is larger. So we should definitely get a z-score that is larger than the z-score of 90. So z in this case equals 90 minus 72 over 8.3, and that gives you 3.01. That's over here. So this would be a z-score of 90, the data value, the score of 97 has a z-score of 3.01, which is definitely unusual.